Hi there, welcome to the Fabulous Face Creams and Moisturizers course by Savvy Homemade. If you're tired of one-size-fits-all skincare, or want more control over what you're putting on your skin, this is the course for you. Not only will we teach you how to make fabulous face creams, but we'll teach you a variety of different facial moisturizers. These include facial oils, balms, cremes, emulsions and gels all in one place. As you'd expect, this course is packed full of amazing recipes, including our fantastic aloe and seaweed eye gel to tackle dry, scratchy eyes. But not only is this course full of recipes like this, it also gives you the knowledge, guidance and inspiration to design your own recipes from scratch. Become a bespoke skincare formulator from the comfort of your own home. There's no previous experience needed for this course. We assume you're a beginner, so it makes the perfect gift for anyone who's interested in natural skincare. Or it could be the first step you need to start a new business or become a skincare expert. We're here to help you every step of the way. So let's get started.